We guide you through how to hide your active now status on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu and select Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down until you find Messages and Story Replies, then tap on Show Activity Status. You'll see a toggle that says Show Activity Status. Simply turn this off. Once disabled, no one will be able to see when you are online or when you were last active. But keep in mind that you also won't be able to see others people's activity status. This is perfect if you want to browse, reply, or scroll without feeling pressured to respond instantly.